Have you ever dreamt of creating amazing art even without painting skills? Now you can, with the power of AI. Bing Image Creator lets you turn your wildest imaginations into stunning visuals. It's like magic, but even better, it's real and it's at your fingertips. This guide will be your map to this exciting world. We'll explore how to use Bing Image Creator, from your first steps to advanced tips. Get ready to be amazed by what you can create. No matter your skill level, Bing Image Creator is for everyone. It's time to unleash your inner artist and watch your ideas come to life. Are you ready for this exciting adventure? Let's begin. Ready to start creating? Finding Bing Image Creator is easy. Just open your web browser and go to www.bing.com/create. That's it. You are now at the doorstep of a world of artistic possibilities. You'll see a welcoming page with a text box. This is where the magic happens. This box is your direct line to the AI, ready to translate your words into visual masterpieces. Don't worry, you don't need any special codes or passwords. Bing Image Creator is free and ready to use just like that. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to Bing Image Creator and let the fun begin. Now for the exciting part, bringing your vision to life. Think of something you'd like to see. Maybe it's a cat wearing a top hat or a dreamy landscape with floating islands. Type your idea directly into the text box on Bing Image Creator. This text is called a prompt. Click Create and watch as the AI gets to work. Within seconds, Bing Image Creator will generate several images based on your prompt. You'll be amazed by how it interprets your words and transforms them into visuals. See, creating art with AI is easy and incredibly fun. Now, are you ready to explore what else you can create? The real magic of Bing Image Creator lies in the prompts. These prompts are the key to unlocking the full potential of the AI, guiding it to create exactly what you envision. Your prompts guide the AI, telling it exactly what to create. Think of them as instructions that shape the final output, directing the AI's creative process. The more detailed your prompt, the more spectacular your results. Specificity is your best friend here. The clearer you are, the better the AI can understand and deliver. Let's say you want an image of a sunset over the ocean. Good start, but don't stop there. Now let's add some details. Think about the colors, the mood, and the elements you want to include. Do you want a fiery red sunset or a soft pink and purple sunset? Each choice will give your image a different feel and atmosphere. Maybe you want dolphins leaping in the waves or a lonely sailboat on the horizon. These elements can add life and story to your image. Each detail paints a clearer picture for the AI, resulting in a more unique and personalized image. The more you specify, the closer the AI gets to your vision. Don't be afraid to experiment. The beauty of AI is in its flexibility and ability to adapt to your creative whims. Try different adjectives, add locations, and even specify art styles. The more creative you get, the more interesting your results will be. For example, a Van Gogh-style painting of a sunflower field with a hot air balloon. See what happens. The possibilities are endless when you craft the perfect prompt. Section 5. Sharing your creations. Downloading and spreading the joy. Once you've created an image you love, it's time to share it with the world. Bing Image Creator makes it easy to download and share your masterpieces. Simply hover over the image you like and click the download button. You can save your image to your computer or device in high resolution, ready to be shared with everyone. Share your artwork on social media, use it as a desktop background, or even print it out to hang on your wall. Let your creativity shine and inspire others. Remember, every great artist started somewhere. Keep experimenting, keep creating, and most importantly, have fun with it. Section 6. Level up your art. Introducing Microsoft Designer. Ready to take your AI-generated images to the next level? Let's talk about Microsoft Designer, a fantastic tool that works seamlessly with Bing Image Creator. Microsoft Designer is like a digital art studio, packed with features to enhance and transform your images. You can add text, apply filters, create stunning layouts, and so much more. Imagine taking your Bing Image Creator creations and turning them into social media posts, posters, invitations, or even logos. With Microsoft Designer, the possibilities are endless. Best of all, Microsoft Designer is incredibly user-friendly. Its intuitive interface and helpful guides make it easy for anyone to create professional-looking designs. Section 7. Designer in Action Enhancing Your Images. In this section, we will explore how to take your Bing Image Creator artwork to the next level using Microsoft Designer. Using Microsoft Designer with your Bing Image Creator artwork is a breeze. The intuitive interface makes it easy for anyone, regardless of skill level, to create stunning visuals. Simply upload your saved image into Designer and let the fun begin. The drag and drop feature ensures a seamless experience, allowing you to focus on your creativity. Want to add a catchy title to your artwork? With just a few clicks, you can insert text that complements your design perfectly. Designer offers a variety of fonts and text effects to make your message pop. From bold and dramatic to sleek and modern, there's a font for every style. You can also experiment with different colors, sizes, and placements to find the perfect look. The color palette and size adjustment tools give you complete control over your design. How about transforming your image into a social media post? Whether it's for Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, Designer has you covered. Designer offers pre-designed templates for different platforms. These templates are optimized for each social media site, ensuring your posts look professional and eye-catching. Just drop your image in, add some text, and you're good to go. It's that simple to create engaging content that stands out. Don't be afraid to play around with the different tools and features. Experimentation is key to discovering new design possibilities and enhancing your creativity. You'll be amazed by how easy it is to transform your Bing Image Creator creations into polished, professional-looking designs. With Microsoft Designer, the possibilities are endless, and your creativity knows no bounds. Section 8. A World of Possibilities. Exploring different image styles. In this section, we dive into the diverse and fascinating world of image styles that you can create using Bing Image Creator. One of the most exciting aspects of Bing Image Creator is its ability to generate images in a variety of styles. Whether you're an artist looking to experiment or someone who just loves visual creativity, this tool has something for everyone. Want a realistic photograph? You got it. The AI can produce stunningly lifelike images that capture every detail, making it perfect for projects that require a touch of reality. How about a whimsical cartoon or a dramatic oil painting? The versatility of Bing Image Creator allows you to switch between different artistic expressions effortlessly. Bing Image Creator can do it all. From digital illustrations to traditional art styles, the possibilities are endless. You can explore and create without any boundaries. When crafting your prompts, try adding specific art styles to see how the AI interprets them. This can be a fun and educational way to understand different artistic techniques and how they can be applied. You can request styles like photorealistic, watercolor, anime, cyberpunk, or even Renaissance painting. Each style brings its own unique flair and can transform your image into something truly special. Experimenting with different styles can lead to surprising and delightful results. You might find that a style you never considered before perfectly captures the essence of your vision. You might even discover a new favorite art style that you never knew you loved. The journey of exploring these styles can be as rewarding as the final artwork itself. Remember, there are no limits to what you can create with Bing Image Creator. The only boundary is your imagination, so don't hesitate to push the envelope and try new things. Let your imagination run wild and see what amazing art you can bring to life. With Bing Image Creator, the world of art is at your fingertips, ready to be explored and enjoyed. Section 9. Bing Image Creator. Free, easy, and limitless fun. That's the beauty of Bing Image Creator. It's accessible to everyone. You don't need to be a professional artist or have any prior experience with design software. With its intuitive interface and simple prompts, Bing Image Creator makes creating stunning AI art incredibly easy and fun. It's a fantastic tool for expressing your creativity, exploring new ideas, and simply having a good time. So what are you waiting for? Jump into the world of Bing Image Creator and discover the artist within you. You'll be amazed by what you can achieve. Section 10. Embrace the unexpected happy accidents and creative discoveries. Sometimes the most unexpected results lead to the most exciting discoveries. Don't be afraid to experiment with unusual prompts. Try different art styles and see where your imagination takes you. You might be surprised by the unique and wonderful creations that emerge. Remember, there are no mistakes in art, only happy accidents that can spark new ideas and push your creativity further. Embrace the unexpected, celebrate the unusual, and most importantly, have fun with the process. The world of AI art is full of surprises, so be open to exploring all its possibilities. Section 11. The future is creative. Your artistic journey starts now. Congratulations on taking your first steps into the exciting world of AI art with Bing Image Creator. This is just the beginning of your creative journey. Remember, the power to create is in your hands. With a little imagination and the help of this incredible tool, you can bring your wildest ideas to life. So go forth, experiment, explore, and most importantly, have fun. The future of art is here, and it's waiting for you to shape it.